Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a two-tier bin compost system at home using basic materials. It's very easy, budget friendly and perfect for daily kitchen waste. The first step is to prepare the bins. For this we need two plastic bins and one lid. Now we need to make holes in one of the bins. To do this, heat an iron stick on a gas stove and carefully make small holes in the sides of the bin. Hold the iron stick with plier or a thick cloth, never with your bare hands. Make sure the holes are evenly spaced. These holes are very important for airflow and drainage of liquid. Now, make holes on the bottom side as well. Also ensure to make holes on the lid. The second step is the setup. The second bin will be the bottom bin which has no holes. Now we will place a brick inside the bottom bin, then place the bin with holes on the top of the brick and finally cover it with the lid. This setup allows the compost liquid to collect below while keeping the waste bin elevated. We are not using any tap fitting, which makes it very affordable and easy for anyone to make at home. We also have a video on a 3-tier compost bin. Do check it out, which includes tap fittings. Step 3 is adding the bedding layer. We'll prepare the base layer. For this we need dry leaves, shredded paper or cocoa peat. This helps absorb moisture and speeds up the composting process. Fourth step is adding kitchen waste, that is the greens. Add your daily kitchen waste such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, tea leaves. Now food items to avoid are meat, fish, chicken, dairy products like milk, cheese, butter, oily or cooked food, leftover curries or spicy food, because this can cause bad smell, attract pests and slow down your composting process. Also avoid adding too much of citrus peels and onion and garlic peels. After adding greens, add a little vermicompost. Then sprinkle a little water to maintain moisture. It should be slightly moist, not too wet. Now the last step is maintenance. Close the lid and keep the bin in a well-ventilated area. Every few days, mix the contents lightly to improve airflow and speed up composting. Now, after 30 days, the final result, your compost will be ready. You will get rich solid compost on the top and compost liquid collected in the bottom bin. Both are excellent natural fertilizers for your plants. You can see how well the plants have grown with healthy leaves, flowers and birds. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more eco-friendly ideas.